rating, sabi ng school head. Because a high rating must be backed by sufficient and verifiable evidence. Without proof,
Diri ka.
a rating
Ikaw ka dito ang pagkaon mo. Ano ka?
Hindi ko na unara.
must be evidence-based and not speculation.
Diri mo diri.
And ito naman sa case, why does teacher is
Bumba-bumba daw mo dira.
because it reminds us that performance systems must
Diri
not
daw yan. Ayan ano yan.
be genuine.
Ano ba? Taga football.
And if strong evidence is undervalued, the system discourages trust. Fair validation
You like that one?
trust. It is very strong because it shows fairness and development in about letter C. Why is teacher C's portfolio not
Diri ka oh.
because
Maipit ka ha.
good communication must still be connected to again
Paano?
measurable outcomes.
Ato piti ko to.
A portfolio shows effort and organization, but validation asks whether those practices consistently translate into the real life.
Sare help.
Because it connects
Maipit ang
with outcomes. This is very related to our organizational behavior again, because evaluation systems shape moral, trust, professional motivation, and culture of accountability. If teachers kasi experience the system as fair and developmental,
Go
they are
Sare.
more likely
Go
to
Sare.
teach honestly
It's popping.
or honestly. If not, they may become
Sige pa.
defensive or barely compliant.
Sige, keep.
And this is also
More.
related with our workforce management because
More.
workforce
Pump.
management includes not only
Sige, pump more.
staffing but
Wala
also
pa ulo yan pa.
developing
More.
and evaluating
Not
and
enough air.
validating
Come on, pump.
performance because a workforce can
Go,
be
ate. You're so good. Ate, more. Ate, pump.
teaching, evidence, and accountability recognized.
Ngapit na, ate. Go
This
more, pa
phase
more.
4
Na ano,
really matters
gapa na yan.
because
Di pa, ate, more pa.
leaders
What?
must
Air,
fall
air,
not
pump.
only to decide but also
Oh my gosh, ano?
their
Go, ate, more.
decision.
Ngapit na. Sige, pa, ate, more, pa, ate. Hapit na. Mag-bumps mo na.
What proves whether the
Hello,
response was
congrats. More, pa, ate, more. More.
and
Not too
aligned
much
with
pa.
institutional
Wala pa, oh.
values.
Flat, pa, flat.
So thank you so much and congratulations. Sis. As we conclude, let us reflect on what the topic and activity truly revealed. The issue may have begun with IPCR ratings. This is very timely kasi ngayon, nag-ano pa tayo ng IPCR and even performance portfolios. But in reality, it opened a deeper conversation about
Wala pa lang gudo.
fairness,
Sino, i-bounce ka, be?
accountability in our educational organizations. So it
Na
showed
isa na
us
po
that
na.
performance
Ate,
management is not
pump.
only about assigning ratings, again, it is about designing
Isa, tama na.
systems that are honest,
Ate, pump. Sino ba pump?
developmental and outcome-oriented.
Di sa mag-pump. Si ate,
Showed us
ikaw.
that performance validation
Si ikaw na po.
is
Sige.
not merely a checking process.
Hinay-hinay, ha?
Discipline of ensuring that what is claimed is what is real.
Maipit ka mo.
This is why
Ito kanina. Wala ka lang na.
deeply
Ay, ano? Gulita diri.
related to our workforce management and
Sige, bukala
organizational
eh.
behavior again.
Bonito sa ilalim.
That workforce management is visible in how performance is guided.
Go, Yayan!
Organizational behavior is visible in how teachers trust, respond to activity therefore was in topic the deeper lesson here is strong educational leadership
Bye. Si Ayang nga diri mo babumbayang no.
differences
Oh, galing na ni Ayang. Uy, apit na.
nor evidence without
Mas gana Ayang. Uy, na energy.
So a strong institution is one that can design KPIs, provides meaningful coaching, evaluate,
Wala pa, uy. Sige pa. Daghan pa.
validate responsibly and sustain a culture where accountability. So once again, congratulations for a thoughtful, serious, meaningful presentation regarding the Class CB Executive Leadership and Education Efforts to spend policy validation, evidence, coaching, peers, integrity, and ability. So to the class, to the whole class of this ND 104, thank you for your active participation. Be blessed in the days ahead. So enjoy time again, no? And unahin lagi ang sarili. Always remember that because a leader who is exhausted, again, sabi ko na, this, a leader who is exhausted, discouraged, and disconnected find it harder to lead others. Thank you so much and good afternoon to each and everyone. See you tomorrow.